welcome to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. Today I have a killer journal to show you. So, so this is the ephemera pack that comes with it. We'll go through that in just a minute. But this is a coffin journal, a skeleton case that it comes with, a coffin, and 2 foam flowers, and some like webbing moss to go on top. A little tiny pen, and then the journal itself is has a clip on the front, rust dyed cheesecloth, and the clip has like a little, I wanted to say a claw, but it's not a claw, it's a hand, a skeleton hand. So there's that. I have several different varieties, so if you don't like this cover or the color of the hand there's different options for you. So this one is like a greenish with bats and skulls on it. I hope you can see the print there. But I left the front blank. This is a journal kit. So this is for you to fill in. So it just has sewn edges and then blank pages inside. And then the additional glue book, or if you want to use this as ephemera, and then it has some thread here at the bottom that's like tactile type. And for the ephemera, I think there's 15 pieces in here. It says on the listing. So if you go to my website under kit or Halloween 2024, you'll be able to see this. And it's on sale right now, so if you want to go check it out, even better. If you use the promo code YT10, that's YouTube 10, so YT10, you'll get 10% off your order. Yeah, so I just did some stamped images on some dyed paper here. And we have our rusted paper clips. Hope you can see those. They turned out really good. Some stamping of words, and then we have like a heart, rib cage with flowers, spinal cord with flowers, a skull. This napkin, actually the skeleton glows in the in the dark, so that's really cool. And then I thought this butterfly moth, like kind of spooky look would be good in the journal as well. But that's actually all I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to show you guys what I got going on. I have I think I have a dozen of these if you wanted to pick one up. I'm going to be doing Pink Oddbird, April, over at Pink Oddbird. That's the name of her channel. She does this thing, her and Priscilla at Release the Craftin', they do this thing called Oddtober, and like ODD Tober, and I've never done it before. I usually do my own Octagber, where we replenish our tags for the upcoming season. But I think this year I'm going to do Oddtober with her. And I'm not sure exactly what that entails, but I think it has a daily prompt list. And I think it tells a story, so it's not your usual prompt, you know, Pink Oddbird. She has to do something different, so keep us guessing. But if you're interested in this, I'd swing by my website sooner than later. They're all already made, so I will ship immediately. And like I said, they are on sale, and then you get an additional discount if you use YT10 at checkout for your promo code. That's YouTube 10. And I will package them with protection so that the case does not break. It is an iridescent case. It is plastic. It is not glass. So it is not that fragile. However, it is plastic, so it's fragile. Alright, so there we go. My website is lovelyscraftinglodge.store. So if you want to head over there and check out, I do have dyed papers, ephemera, fibers, fabric, and other value packs right now that are on sale. That's all I have for today, and I'll see you guys back here next time at Lovely's Crafting Lodge.